Hello friends, let us discuss about jugular venous pressure, that is JVP. This JVP measures the right atrial pressure changes. What is the normal value of JVP? It is 5 to 8 cm from the right atrium or 0 to 3 cm from sternal angle. This is the normal JVP. This is the measure of right atrial pressure changes. It contains A wave, C wave, V wave and X descent and Y descent. What is this A wave indicates? It indicates the atrial contraction. This is atrial contraction, that is in active filling phase of the cardiac cycle. These are the chambers of heart: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. It measures the pressure changes in right atrium with respect to phases of cardiac cycle. This A wave is due to atrial contraction, that is in active filling phase. There is increase in right atrial pressure. This C wave is due to isovolumetric contraction. Isovolumetric contraction. In this phase, there is bulging of tricuspid valve into right atrium. There is bulging of tricuspid valve into right atrium. Because of this, there is increase in right atrial pressure, which is seen by C wave. Next one is X descent, that is it is seen in ejection phase. The tricuspid ring is pulled down by right ventricular contraction. Because of right ventricular contraction, there is pulling of the tricuspid wall downwards. So there is decrease in the right atrial pressure. This causes X descent. Next wave is V wave. This is because of venous filling. Venous filling of right atrium. These are the chambers. There is venous return to heart, that is venous return to right atrium by two major vessels, that is inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. When there is venous return, there is increase in right atrial pressure, which causes this V wave. Next one is Y descent. This is because of passive filling of right ventricle. This is passive filling of right ventricle. So these are the chambers. There is passive filling of right ventricle, which causes decrease in right atrial pressure. There is blood flow like this from right atrium to right ventricle. So there is decrease in right atrial pressure, which causes Y descent. So this is about the jugular venous pressure. This is the normal jugular venous pressure. What are the normal waves and what is the reason for these waves? This jugular venous pressure is the measure of right atrial pressure changes. Thank you.